I don't recommend card counting in casinos. Don't get me wrong, it can be a very powerful tool. It's basically the only way you can get an edge over the casino. The only way I would recommend card counting is if you had a high bankroll. Most of us are just gambling with a couple $1,000s, which means you're gonna be playing the table minimums, which can range from 15 to 50 until you get a count worth increasing your bet for. One of the most important things a card counter needs to know is what's the EV, the expected value. How much are you gonna make? It's not an exact science, but generally the expected value will be around $25 to $30 an hour for most small bettors. And I just don't think that's worth putting yourself in a potentially dangerous situation with most casinos. If you guys are unfamiliar with card counting, aces and tens take one away from the count, 7, 8, and 9 are neutral, and then 2 through 6 will add one to the count. Each deck will default at 0. There's 2 counts to look out for. There's the running count and then the true count. As we can see here, we have a 5 and a 6, meaning that we have a +2 on the count right here. Divided by 1 deck left means it is now a true 2, which means you're probably going to increase your bet for the next hand. The last aspect I want to touch on is the mental aspect. When you're card counting, you need to be extremely focused on every single card that comes out of that deck. Whether you're at a table with 5 people or it's just you, you need to know your numbers. And I generally don't think it's worth it to be all that stressed out about getting kicked out, getting caught, getting banned. Knowing every single card that comes out of that deck doesn't seem worth it in the long term. So when you're in a casino, try and have some fun.